question number 1, it's basically just to make sure that you put in the answer in the correct syntax. Okay, so we can go to question number 2. Okay, question number 2, we want to find the equation of the line through 2 points, 3, 4 and -1, 2. Okay, so first we need to find the slope of the line that passing through these 2 points. So the slope is given by the change in y, 2 minus 4, over the change in x, so -1 minus 3. If we simplify, we have -2 over -4, which is equal to 1/2. Okay, once we get the slope, then we can use the point slope formula. We can take any of this point, but since this is of the form x plus 1, it is suggested that we take this point. So by using the point slope formula, the equation of the line should be y minus the y coordinate of that point equals slope x minus the x coordinate. So x minus -1 will be x plus 1. So now we can rewrite this equation as y equals 1/2 x plus 1 plus 2. So if we compare the equation of this line and this line, we can conclude that if you compare this one and the result that we get, then we conclude that a must be equal to 2 and b is equal to 1/2. Okay, question number 3. We want to find the intersection of the line through the given 2 points and the line y equal x. So first, as we did before, we find the equation of line passing through these 2 points. First find the slope, change it y, 2 minus 12 over 4 minus 7. If we simplify, we have -10 over -3, which is equal to 10 over 3. This is the slope, and so the line that passing through the 2 points in this point slope formula will be y minus, I will take this point, y minus 2 equals to 10 over 3 x minus 4. So y is equal to 2 plus 10 over 3 x minus 4. Okay. Now we want to find the intersection between this line and the line y equal x. That intersects when the y coordinates, when their y coordinates are equal. So they are intersect when 2 plus 10 over 3 x minus 4 is equal to x. So now what we need to do is just to solve for x. So we can multiply both sides to get 6 plus 10 times x minus 4 is equal to 3x. Okay, and this can be simplified further into, so here we have 10x, and on the right hand side we have 3x. if we subtract both sides by 3x, we get 7x on the left hand side and 0 on the right hand side. And here negative 40 plus 6 will be negative 34, so this is equals to 34. So if we solve for x, we have x is equal to 34 over 7. So now this 34 over 7 corresponds to A. And to find the B coordinate, what we need to do is just to substitute to this one. But actually, since this point, this x coordinate belong to the line y equal x and also to this line, then the y coordinate is also equals to 34 over 7. Because when x is equal to 34 over 7, the y is also equal to 34 over 7. Okay, the next problem, question number 4. Find the points where the graph crosses the x-axis. So crosses the x-axis means that the y coordinate is equal to 0. So what we need to do is just to substitute y equals 0 there. Or if you want, first you write this as y is equal to x minus 3 squared minus 9. And the equation of the x-axis is y equals 0. Now we want to find for which x this y and that y are equal. So we want to find all y's that make x minus 3 squared minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so when we equate this to equation, we have 0 equals x minus 3 squared minus 9, which is equivalent to, if you add both sides by 9, we have x minus 3 squared is equal to 9. Okay. Since x minus 3 is a number, so that when we square it we get 9, so there are two options. Either x minus 3 equals 3 or x minus 3 is equal to negative 3. Why is that? Because these two numbers are the numbers that whenever we square this number we get 9. So from this we conclude that x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 0. But what we want here is the x coordinate of the rightmost. So if we compare this 0 and 6, then the rightmost x coordinate is 6. So the answer is 6.